In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and utilize your Google Docs, ensuring your work is saved, named, downloaded, and easily accessed whenever you need it. Knowing how to handle these basics is crucial for maintaining an efficient workflow and ensuring you never lose any important data. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, one of the most convenient features of Google Docs is that every change you make is automatically saved in your Google Drive. You can work with confidence knowing that your progress is safely stored with every keystroke. As you type away or make any modifications to your document, you'll notice a reassuring message at the top, right next to your toolbar. It will say all changes saved in Drive. This confirmation means that your work is continually saved without any action on your part. You don't have to worry about losing your progress if your computer unexpectedly shuts down or if there's a sudden internet glitch. This automatic save feature is a real lifesaver and ensures your peace of mind while working. Now, after you've been busy creating your document, you might want to give it a personalized name, something other than untitled document. To rename your file, simply go to the top left corner of your screen where it currently says Untitled Document. Click on that text and it will become editable. You can then type in your desired file name. For instance, something like My First Google Doc, or anything else that helps you identify your work. Naming your document accordingly